It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. Cross your fingers. We keep the camera rolling without, I didn't see that dot of gold there before. That's okay. I'll put some of those at the end. Before the heat that's 100 degrees out here makes it impossible to stay. I am just being a willful child and having some fun and not worrying too much about what comes. I wanted to show you guys though, right here, that I'm going to put a little tiny dot of paint. Am I? Haha! You know what? I'm getting smarter sometimes, because I know that that dot of paint will be something more than a dot if I'm not careful. So yes, I'm giving my flowers a little tiny base right now because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link. Little tiny, what do you call those things that are just before the, I guess they're still stems. Anyway, I need them to look a little more like flowers so I can convince myself that this is working out. Because I'm not convinced so far, but that's the case occasionally anyway. Oh, I can lead those right up into the flower. Cool. If I want to. Kind of like that. This is the dull end of the skewer. I'm not sure I'm the biggest fan. This was a good, a good idea at the time. I may be having to touch that up tomorrow when I was planning on doing a whole lot more to this. I am going to try, since I am out here, and use my scoop again, because the spatula is not, excuse me, the shovel is just too big right now for little things. Keep my paint out of the way. Start over here. And make a different kind of flower with more interesting stuff going across. Yes, like that. And I might dot that. Really? Why not? Gotta try it. So if we're gonna do it there, we might as well do it here as well, right? If you wait a second, the paint will come down. So that's a little better. Now I want some pink. I might as well just fill it right up with whatever I've got to work with. Start from the right side. Because I'm thinking that I can fill in the centers with dots. And other things. So wishing that I'd remembered I didn't have my glasses. Hey, Hun, can you do me a favor? Are you here? No, Hun is not here. Hun has gone in the house where it's cool. Can't say I blame him. Please look for my glasses. Please be psychic. Husbands are occasionally psychic. I live in hope. Oh, that would kind of cool. I can do that. I like the stripes, but I like the spirals too. My head is probably in the way. Somebody's telling me so. I don't like that, but there's nothing I should do about it now, except for even it out from the other direction maybe. I can steal a little paint, make things look a little more even. Got to be a little careful about adding my... It's getting a little more balanced. Is that the right end? I want a dot. Just a dot. I think I'll do that again. Just experimenting, trying to have a little fun. Let's see, what do I want in there? I want some turquoise. I think I can get away with that if it'll come out, and I remember it was very slow moving earlier. Whoops, not so much right then. Hot days. So that's cool. I like that. That was like the best thing that's happened for a while. And I tipped my painting. Okay, well, that's interesting. I guess it's going to have some interesting stuff coming out the top of it. It's a different kind of flower than the rest. And it is. It is a different kind of flower than the rest. So we'll put up with that. Can I? Oh, I really want a little tiny one. I don't think I have enough paint in there. But I think I can dip my my scoop right in. Can I, please, have this work? This is my learning curve. I am figuring it out as I go along. Steal my paint. And add a little dot, so I remember. Alright, so I need something there and something there, and I want a lot more white, and I really haven't got much white yet. I'm going to use a dirty shovel with some pink in it, and I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to grab that white, and I'm going to scrape off the bottom right under my canvas. Nope. And I am going to try. No, if I tip that, I'm in trouble. Not to worry if it doesn't come out all at once. Since we're making flowers, where's my skewer? I can always add a little something here and there, nudge it into place. Maybe grab a little right out of that scoop. I think that pink should be in there. I think I'm just going to scavenge the rest of that paint. Because I can. The name of my book under the video on the Amazon link under show more. So that scoop is going to go right in the bucket, and I think I want a little bit of orange in there because I can. I got to make sure I don't keep flying paint through the air. Can I have some paint, please? Please, please, please. No? See how you are? Now I'm talking to inanimate objects. Please come out. Oh. Maybe not quite that much. Too late. Okay, well it adds to the look of, whoa, almost tipped the shovel over. My shovels are hanging out pretty good. Yeah, I'm not unhappy with that. That's pretty cool, actually. Sometimes the funkier it gets, the better it gets, and it's always unexpected. And in this case, it's a pleasure. I think I'm going to use a little more of that green. I want to just use it by dripping it right down. I think probably my best bet would be to put it into one of my little dishes I've been using, and then just add the flat front of the spatula. And I'm going to try that right now because I want to join those two parts. I don't want to have an excess of paint on there. But I do want to add some leaves while you're still here. I think we're going to just take that paint. Oops. Wherever the leaves land, I can always just keep wherever the gap, or what do I want to call it, the join, wherever the join winds up, we can just make a leaf come out. I have learned that maybe it's too hot on days like this to do this, but I'm still having a good time. And I like the odd shapes that come, even if it's coming from my maybe lackadaisical attitude. And I'm going to take that little smear I see down here and imagine that is a great place to start a flower. I know carnations have some bumps in their stems, so I'm not too worried about it. But I am going to put some more paint in here and see if I can continue leading the eye. Might be nice to put a leaf up over something over here tomorrow. Love my #1 Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula on the Amazon link right below the video. I'm gonna have to do this sometime not making a recording, so it's more leisurely. I don't really want to continue on until I run into paint. But I really do believe that I'm capable of filling these in tomorrow. And wherever I get a little bump, I'm just going to make a leaf. I am getting a little tired of splattering the painting though. Boom. I like that. The wide leaves are kind of cool. I like making the shapes differently too. Maybe I shouldn't worry so much. Pretty sure I can touch up most of those leaves. Stems, whatever. Tomorrow. Cross them over. Maybe you guys should have a look at this. Well, I can show it to you. I will be touching those up. Can I do it upside down? Maybe I can do it better upside down. Who knows? I like doing wet into wet, but lately I really don't mind doing dry either. So there's another one. Do I really want that there? I want to. Intimate where that belongs. It's a little spooky trying to do things without glasses because everything's kind of fuzzy. Fortunately, I have a little bit of confidence, even with fuzzy eyesight. I once saw that there was at least one person who's famous and blind for being an artist who's successful. I think I want to be able to see that right side up though. I will fill in whatever's missing tomorrow. I want that now. I want it now so bad. That goes to that big, big flower up above. Be nice if I can lead a stem through one of those splotches. There's a new, today's new splooge word, splotch. Usually something you get from a food allergy. Love this green gold. It's by Color Shift. Hope you can see most all of that. I don't know that I'm going to do so much more to this today at all, because I think it would be a good idea to not worry myself over it too much. And I think I might just call this, you know, part... I'm going to lead those together. Part 2 and done. But you can't trust me. I do change my mind all the time. And if I want to, I can always put little buds on things. I've got all those shovels full of paint. I just haven't done anything with them since I started this part of this. Yeah, I love the green gold color shift. And it looks like I can get away with adding some of it right there. I think I need a little more. Alright, in theory, I'm doing that. In theory, that's 2 minutes for me to tell you whatever I've not told you already. And I've told you a bunch of stuff already, so I'm not too worried about it. But if you want to get in this month's contest, look for the PayPal and Patreon donation links underneath the video, underneath Show More, also on the YouTube channel header, and and on the end screens you'll find out what's being offered. The end screens are the last 20 seconds of the video. I kind of like that blue in there that was schmutzing up my spatula. I don't mind the little shoots at the bottom either. I kind of want some buds. I know I'm going to run out of time and you're going to be gone. But I like what I've got, and I'm a little surprised that I do, because I wasn't in love with it for a bit. And we have some strange abstract flowers, and thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for over 63,000 of you, probably well on the way to 63,500 of you by now. And please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. It helps the YouTube algorithm know to place me. The same thing with watching more videos. If you want to be of assistance and you can't contribute through PayPal or Patreon, just know that you're invaluable to me by watching more of the videos. The longer you watch through the commercials, the more likely I am to be able to continue to do this for you guys. So thank you so much in advance for all your help. I love you very much. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, I need that dot to go away right now. So I'm going to do that. I might mess around with this a little bit after you guys are gone, but it'll look pretty similar. It might have a few buds added, and I may touch up my spots that are missing the stem tomorrow. But I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.